This is the Tulsa Zoo, one of the exhibits in their Life in the Desert section. This is birds, several different bird species, and those ones right there are crested pigeons. They come from Australia, and of course, Australia is mostly desert, so that's not surprising. And there are several other species. There's a picture of the crested pigeon, and there's several other species in here too. But those little ones flying around, but I don't know which ones they are. I don't know. It might be that finch that was mentioned earlier, these things. But anyway, I'm Matthew the Wanderer. Until next time, oink y'all.